We put our normal business purchases on the Delta Reserve credit card and earned enough miles for the two of us to fly first class round trip to Cancun, and we stayed 3 nights at an all-inclusive resort in a 800 plus square foot top floor oceanfront suite with a balcony hot tub. All for free. Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. My name's Nick, and my wife Ashley and I have a lot of business expenses every year while running our farm, and we rarely get to take any time off. Last summer, I was given an offer to get 100,000 bonus SkyMiles if I signed up for the American Express Delta Reserve credit card. We have a link in the description below, but we want you to keep watching to learn how we maximized our miles to pay very little for a long-deserved vacation. The offers change regularly, so it may be a little bit different when you watch this video. We had to spend $5,000 with the card to get our miles, but that didn't take long at all since we were about to put down deposits for the steel buildings we needed for our farm store and wash and pack building. I do want to pause for a second and mention that the rewards only make sense if you can pay off the balance each month to avoid interest, or you'd be putting those purchases on another card anyway. Please make responsible financial decisions. We earned well beyond that 100,000 mile bonus through regular business and personal spending. In addition to the down payments for the new buildings, the card was used for animal feed, meat processing, seeds, packaging, the POS system for the store, the electrical and plumbing materials for the new buildings, freezers, fuel, and more that I can't remember off the top of my head. We also used it to pay our electric and internet bills, groceries, gas, Christmas and birthday presents for the kids, and pretty much everything else that could be purchased with a credit card. Redeeming the miles does require some strategizing, because the cost of flights and rooms can fluctuate even if the cost in dollars doesn't. When booking a flight with miles, go to delta.com and choose your destination, departure and arrival dates, and how many passengers. Don't forget to click on Shop with Miles. And also, I suggest clicking My Dates Are Flexible to see if shifting your dates can save you miles. In this example, I chose dates this week. The cheapest flight is 45,900 miles. Also notice that Delta card members save 15%. Choosing dates that are further out typically will be cheaper, so let's look at some dates later in the year. 35,700 miles per ticket saves us 20,400 miles for both of us. These are main cabin prices, but when you make the selection for your travel dates, you'll see the cost of Comfort Classic and First Class as well. We flew First Class on our trip to Cancun because neither of us had ever flown First Class before and had the miles to do it. Personally, we'll be sticking with Comfort Classic for future flights. The few upgrades and service really weren't worth double the cost. Comfort Classic still gives you the extra legroom and complimentary adult beverages, so the only thing you're missing is a little extra elbow room and slightly better snack selection. Once you've selected your flight times, you'll be taken to checkout. You'll still be responsible for paying the taxes and fees, and international flights are always going to be a little bit more, so in this case it's $282.26 for both tickets. When flying domestically, sometimes it's as low as $20 or $30, so just keep that in mind. You'll have the option to upgrade at checkout. Notice how the miles go up, but the taxes and fees stay the same no matter which seats you purchase on main cabin, Comfort Classic, or First Class. Another bonus is that when you use your American Express Delta Reserve card, you'll earn 3 miles for every dollar spent with Delta, so those taxes and fees add another 847 miles to your account in this example. Now the really cool thing is that you can also use your SkyMiles to book your hotel or resort when you go to carsandstays.delta.com. In this example, we'll choose the same travel dates to Cancun. They always show you the places they recommend, and they're always going to be very nice, but also very expensive. You can search lowest to highest pricing and add filters such as all-inclusive. Look how inexpensive some of these rooms are. You can stay 3 nights for about half of one of your plane tickets. I'm going to show you the resort where we stayed, and at the time of this video, it's 81,160 miles for 3 nights. We did have to pay those $15 when we checked in to cover the taxes. Now that price is for the most basic room, but look at the other options. It wasn't much more to upgrade to the nicest room in the entire resort. The view from the balcony alone was well worth the upgrade. This is how we spent our mornings while drinking a cup of coffee on our balcony. Now I'm going to show you a hack to really maximize the value when booking your room. One of the card benefits is an annual $200 credit towards your room when you book through Delta. Look what happens when I turn off Pay with Miles. The room cost goes down to $230 per night. We booked one night on the Delta card and paid $270 after taxes and fees, but it was really only $70 after that credit hit the account a few days later. The other 2 nights only cost us 76,000 miles, and we were able to combine the 2 separate bookings into one, so we were able to stay in the same room without interruption. It's pretty easy for any small business owner or individual to quickly accrue miles to go towards free vacations. The sign-on bonus is a great boost, plus you'll earn miles spending money the same way you would if you were using a debit card. There's another way to earn bonus miles from everyday purchases, and that's through SkyMiles shopping. Several online retailers are affiliated with Delta, so shopping with them can help you earn miles even faster. We purchased our retail freezer and refrigerator from Best Buy and earned about 2,000 miles on a purchase that we needed to make anyway. They also offer different seasonal bonuses if you spend so much within a time frame, and that Best Buy purchase alone gave us an additional 4,000 miles. I signed up for SkyMiles shopping in August last year, so about 6 months ago from the time of this recording, and we've earned over 21,000 miles from purchases that we needed to make anyway. If you've been following our Facebook or Instagram over the last several months, you'll probably have a pretty good idea of how much we spent at Home Depot. Getting to travel for practically nothing while spending money that you are going to spend regardless is a pretty awesome deal. There is one caveat that I haven't mentioned, and that's the annual fee of the card. It is a little high, but the benefits of the card more than make up for it in most cases. You'll get a free companion ticket every year, so when you purchase a plane ticket using cash rather than miles, you get a free ticket. You also get 15 annual visits to the Delta Sky Club, which is way better than just hanging out while waiting to board for your plane. They have complimentary food, coffee, wine, cocktails, and more. Plus, you can bring a guest for free up to 4 times a year. You'll also get monthly credits if you use Uber or book reservations through Resy. And I already mentioned that $200 credit towards hotels, so it's pretty awesome. Now, if that annual fee is a little too high for you, there's also the Platinum version of the card. It still has an awesome sign-up bonus, but some of the benefits aren't quite as good. There's no Sky Club access, and the hotel credit's only $120. You'll still get the companion ticket, but it's limited to main cabin, whereas the Reserve card will give you a buy one get one free on Comfort Classic and First Class tickets. If you travel a lot or just want to start traveling with very little out-of-pocket expenses, the American Express Delta Reserve card is for you. Make sure you click on the link in the description to maximize your bonus and start earning your way towards a dream vacation. You deserve it. While you're down there, go ahead and leave a comment and let us know where you want to travel first. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.